is talking about something that is coming, and I know that it's gonna be well. Everyone is talking about something that is coming, and I know 'cause it's feeling so real. Some say we're falling far from grace. Some say we're caught up in an endless race. Judge another by the color of their skin, to fan the flames of hatred and pain. Everyone is talking about something that is coming, and I know that it's gonna be well. Everyone is talking about something that is coming, and I know 'cause it's feeling so real. How long waiting for that moment to arise? How long? I can hear it in the chatter in the street.